Brad Williams, Excel primed. Wildcards using SUMIF. Here, I kind of stretched it a little. In that, if you see the wildcard, they're going to be, we're never going to see this, but in this example, you can see the wildcards I used here. So anything that has FRIGER, we're going to add. Anything with wash here. If anything has wash, do we see a dishwasher in here? Yeah, wash, $12.91. F9, buying. Well, what has buying in it? Well, cabinets has buying. 1424. F9. Owner 2. Counter. How about owner 2? Countertop. 3, 4, 6, 8. How many? 1, 2. Add them up. Really, I mean, this is a little extreme, but you kind of get the point. I went extreme, so you'd have to sit here and go, Brad, really? You think we're that clueless? No. I just wanted to point out my cluelessness. The wild cards, you can see anything before this wild card and anything after the wild card is included. So you can do all kinds of creative stuff anyway. Additional information is over here on your right, and I'm sure that you can play around with some ifs, and we will. Trust me, we will. And that's why I'm not going over this stuff right now. We'll get into it in a bit. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.